cousin's birthday, so that's where we're heading to. Girl, this one piece of hair is. We're heading to Layla's birthday, right? Are you excited to see your cousin? It was kind of hectic, wasn't it? We have to head down to the bait shop to get her a rod. Anyway, it's kind of like a busy day today. So we're all over the place, right? So hopefully she likes it. But we're gonna give something else also because for me, we love her. She's quite a character. We about to go to the bank full of chaos.
Jeremy, you're making your cousin laugh. Yeah. Okay.
She wants some G48.
Here, Noel.
G60.
Get it. Here. Noel. Hit it. Oh, yay. Okay. So many times today, just a sweet.
Spin around 5 times. You got it. Spin around.
Piper, you can get it like. McKenna, okay, one solid hit.
Oh, don't break that sound. It makes me nervous. Yeah. Look at your cousins. Oh, nice one.
Throw it.
Stop.
There we go.
Wait until everybody's done.
Hey, throw it hard.
Woo!
One person on the back. Whatever.
Oh, I don't like that sound.
Put her feet through the chair. Yeah, that was.
A 2, a 1, 2, 3. Happy
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Layla. Oh, look at him. Oh my gosh. Jeremy, you know that's not your cake. Oh my god. Look at him dancing. Oh gosh. Wow. Jeremy, you don't even eat red velvet and here you are stuffing your...
That mom with the long pigtails. I'm here. I'm in
Look,
We got the same.
Oh,
I wasn't supposed to give you this one.
no, not... Oh, wow. Is your mom going to help you read your card? Or you can read it? Yeah, read your card. You got that paper cut?
Oh, yes, you did. You got a Band-Aid?
Paper cut.
That is the coolest crystal ever.
Oh, she's rich. She's rich. Oh, it's...
Hey, he looks like he wants to fight it.
Oh my gosh, Shelby, that is huge, dude.
Originally my bite.
For your birthday.
An ice cream maker.
Oh, snap.
Oh, you got.
Just eat the whole thing. Boop. You can have some, Layla. They're really good, Layla. Look, Layla.
And then it's not to be